Build anything with Gemini Whisk plus AntiGravity. Here's how. You're wasting hours on design tools you don't understand. You're sketching mockups that never turn into real apps. You're stuck between having an idea and actually building it. Meanwhile, people are shipping full apps in minutes, not because they're better coders, because they know this workflow. Hey, it's Hada, and I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I build things. Google just dropped two tools that work together like magic: Whisk and AntiGravity. And when you combine them, you can go from idea to working app faster than you ever thought possible. No Figma, no months of coding, just results. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact workflow to build professional apps in minutes. So let's get into it. First, let me explain what these tools actually are, because most people are using them wrong or not using them at all. Whisk launched in December 2024. It's Google's experimental tool from Google Labs, and here's what makes it different. You don't type prompts, you drag in images. 3 images, that's it. One for your subject, one for the scene, one for the style. Then Whisk creates something completely new by blending them together. Think of it like this. You see a character style you love, a background that fits your vibe, an art style that matches your brand. Drag them into Whisk, and it remixes them into something unique. It's not copying, it's capturing the essence. Behind the scenes, Gemini looks at your images and writes detailed descriptions. Then Imagen 3 generates the final visual. The whole process takes seconds. Now here's what most people miss. Whisk isn't for pixel-perfect editing. It's for rapid visual exploration. You're not trying to make your final product here. You're exploring ideas fast, testing concepts, finding what works. I'll show you how this fits into the bigger workflow in a minute. But first, you need to understand the second tool, AntiGravity. This is where things get wild. Google launched this in November 2025 alongside Gemini 3. And it's not just another code editor. It's an agent-first development platform. That means AI doesn't just suggest code, it actually builds your app, plans it, tests it, validates it, all on its own. Here's how it works. You open AntiGravity and describe what you want to build. The AI agent creates a complete plan, shows you the folder structure, lists all the files it needs to create, breaks down every step. You review it, give feedback. Then the agent goes to work. It writes code across multiple files, sets up your project structure, runs tests in the browser, even records videos showing you how everything works. The crazy part? You can run multiple agents at the same time. One agent building your front end, another setting up your back end, a third writing tests, all working in parallel. This isn't autocomplete. This is full autonomous development, and it's powered by Gemini 3 Pro, the best coding model Google has ever built. If you're learning these AI workflows and want to connect with others doing the same, there's a community called AI Profit Boardroom with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It teaches which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let me show you how to combine these two tools. This is the workflow that changes everything, and I haven't seen anyone else teaching this yet. So pay attention. Step 1, start with Whisk. Go to labs.google.com/Whisk. You need to be in the US to access it right now. It's completely free. Once you're in, you'll see 3 upload zones: subject, scene, style. This is where you define your visual direction. Let's say you want to build a fitness app. For the subject, upload an image of the type of interface element you want, maybe a clean dashboard card. For the scene, upload a screenshot of a layout you like. Could be from any app. For the style, upload something that matches your brand aesthetic. Maybe a modern minimalist design you found. Drag all 3 in. Hit generate. Whisk creates your visual concept in seconds. And here's the key. You're not stopping at 1. Generate 5 versions. 10 versions, 20 versions. Whisk is built for this. Rapid exploration. No waiting, no overthinking. Just create and see what resonates. Okay, step 2. Once you have your visual direction from Whisk, save your favorite versions. Download them. Now you're ready for AntiGravity. Head to antigravity.google. Download the IDE. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Completely free in public preview. Install it like any normal application. When you first open AntiGravity, it walks you through setup. Sign in with your Google account. Choose your development mode. I recommend starting with agent-assisted development. This gives you control but lets the AI handle the heavy lifting. You can always switch to full autonomous mode later. Now, create a new workspace. Think of this as your project folder. Click Open Workspace. Create a new folder or select an existing one. This is where all your project files will live. Once your workspace is open, you'll see the Agent Manager view. This is your mission control. Here's where the magic happens. You're going to describe your app to the AI agent, but you're not just saying, "Make me an app." You're giving it context. Show it the images you generated in Whisk, upload them directly to the chat, then write your prompt. This iterative loop is fast. We're talking seconds to minutes, not hours or days. And here's something most people don't know. You can use Gemini directly in the AntiGravity chat to brainstorm ideas. Ask questions about best practices. Get suggestions for improving your UI. Request accessibility recommendations. The AI isn't just building for you, it's collaborating with you. Now let's talk about what makes this workflow so powerful. It's not just about speed, it's about removing the barriers between idea and execution. Most people have great ideas, but they get stuck at implementation. They don't know how to design, or they can't code, or they don't have time to learn all the tools. This workflow fixes that. Whisk handles your visual ideation. No need for Figma or Photoshop skills. Just drag and drop images. AntiGravity handles the development. No need to memorize syntax or debug for hours. The AI does it. You focus on the creative decisions, the high-level thinking. What should this app do? How should it feel? Who is it for? Here's another huge advantage. You can experiment without consequences. Want to try a completely different design direction? Generate it in Whisk. Takes 30 seconds. Want to rebuild your app with a different framework? Tell AntiGravity. It handles the migration. You're no longer locked into decisions because changing them is too expensive. Change is cheap now, so you can iterate until it's perfect. And the learning curve is minimal. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be a developer. You just need to understand what you want to build and be able to communicate that clearly. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Here's what I want you to do next. Go to labs.google.com/whisk. Start playing with it. Drag in some images, generate some visuals, see what it creates. Then download AntiGravity, set it up. Try building something small, a simple landing page, a contact form, a portfolio site. Get comfortable with the workflow. The future of building is here. It's not about being the best coder anymore. It's about being the best director, the best communicator, the best problem solver. Let the AI handle the technical execution. You focus on the vision. That's how you build faster than ever before. That's how you turn ideas into reality. And that's how you stay ahead in this new world of AI-powered development. So stop wasting time on tools that slow you down. Start using this workflow and start shipping. I'll see you in the next one.